Imagine having a supercomputer sitting right on your desk. Not a massive server rack, not a noisy workstation the size of a suitcase, but compact AI powerhouse designed to bring enterprise-level artificial intelligence directly to creators, developers, researchers, and professionals. That's exactly what we're looking at today. The MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop is one of the most fascinating pieces of technology we've seen recently. At first glance, it looks like a sleek and minimal desktop computer. But under the hood, this machine is built around the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell platform, bringing next-generation AI computing into a surprisingly compact form factor. And honestly, this isn't your typical mini PC. The first thing that stands out is the hardware. You're getting 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5 unified memory. Let that sink in for a second. Most gaming PCs don't even come close to that amount of memory. This massive memory pool allows the system to handle large AI models, complex simulations, advanced content creation workflows, and professional workloads that would normally require expensive data center equipment. Storage is equally impressive. MSI includes a massive 4 terabytes NVMe Gen5 SSD. Gen 5 storage is insanely fast, meaning applications launch almost instantly. Large datasets load quickly, and AI models can be accessed without unnecessary delays. Whether you're working with huge machine learning datasets, 8K video projects, or professional development environments, that storage performance becomes a major advantage. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, NVIDIA Grace Blackwell technology. This platform has been designed specifically for AI acceleration. Instead of simply focusing on gaming performance, the architecture prioritizes artificial intelligence, machine learning, inference workloads, data science, and advanced computing applications. This means developers can run sophisticated AI models locally, reducing reliance on cloud-based services while maintaining greater control over their projects. One of the most exciting things about local AI processing is privacy. When you run AI workloads directly on your own machine, sensitive data stays under your control. Businesses, researchers, and creators can experiment with advanced AI models without constantly sending information to external servers. The unified memory architecture also creates a smoother experience when working with large language models and AI frameworks. Instead of constantly moving data between separate memory pools, the system is optimized to handle complex AI operations more efficiently. Connectivity is exactly what you'd expect from a next-generation machine. Wi-Fi 7 support delivers faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and improved network reliability. If you're transferring huge datasets, collaborating remotely, or accessing network-attached storage, that next-generation connectivity becomes extremely useful. Bluetooth 5.3 is also on board, making it easy to connect wireless peripherals, headphones, keyboards, mice, and other accessories with improved efficiency and reliability. Another interesting aspect is the operating system. Instead of shipping with a traditional consumer-focused operating system, MSI includes NVIDIA DGX OS, a Linux-based environment specifically optimized for AI development and professional computing. This means developers get access to powerful tools, frameworks, and software ecosystems right out of the box. For machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI researchers, and software developers, that's a huge advantage. The system arrives ready for serious work rather than requiring extensive setup and configuration. Now, let's address the obvious question. Is this for everyone? Probably not. If your primary goal is casual web browsing, watching videos, or basic office work, this system would be overkill. That's like buying a race car to drive to the grocery store. But if you're exploring artificial intelligence, training machine learning models, running advanced simulations, developing AI-powered applications, creating complex content, or building next-generation software solutions, the MSI EdgeXpert starts to make a lot of sense. The compact design is another major benefit. Traditional AI workstations can take up significant desk space and generate substantial noise and heat. MSI manages to package incredible computational capabilities into a clean, professional-looking desktop that fits comfortably into modern workspaces. What's especially exciting is what systems like this represent for the future. We're entering an era where AI computing is becoming more accessible. Tasks that previously required expensive cloud infrastructure or enterprise servers are increasingly becoming possible on local hardware. That opens doors for independent creators, startups, researchers, students, and developers who want direct access to powerful AI tools without constantly paying for cloud resources. Performance, memory capacity, storage speed, connectivity, and AI-focused architecture all combine to create a machine that feels like it's designed for the future rather than the present. And that's really the biggest takeaway here. The MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop isn't trying to be another mini PC. It's aiming to be a personal AI workstation capable of handling workloads that would have seemed impossible in such a compact form factor just a few years ago. If you're serious about artificial intelligence, machine learning, advanced computing, or future-focused development, this is definitely one of the most interesting systems currently available. Hi guys! If you want to buy this MSI EdgeXpert AI Mini Desktop featuring the NVIDIA GB10 Grace Blackwell platform, 128 gigabytes unified memory, 4 terabytes Gen 5 SSD, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NVIDIA DGX OS, then please visit the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.